Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Today we just got in, well, we didn't just get it in today, but today we're gonna look at this LEBLOND Makino we just got in. Nice machine, inch and metric. It's 19 inch by 80 inch between centers, hard ways, taper attachment, 3-inch spindle bore. It's got a 4-jaw chuck, a 3-jaw chuck, a steady rest, chip hands, and a DRO. LEBLOND Makino, Regal, servo shift. You got inch and metric on the dials too. Thread dial.
And this is 424.
424 RPM. Reverse on the carriage. There's a shift.
218.
Lower the speed. There's your 3-inch bore. Ready? A nice splash guard in the back.
RPM.
56 RPM. It shifts nice. Great machine.
Showing this original wrench.
Yeah, we got the LEBLOND Makino tailstock clamp wrench there. Kind of cool. Nice piece. At least somebody didn't use it as a hammer over the years. This beauty's here on our floor in Aurora, Illinois. It's ready to go to work for you. Thanks, guys.